The Milwaukee M18 Starter Kit offers impressive performance with its 5 ampere hour and 2 ampere hour battery options, providing up to 2.5 times more runtime compared to standard lithium-ion batteries. This starter kit is engineered with advanced battery pack construction and electronics, ensuring you get more work done per charge and extending the overall lifespan of the battery. Milwaukee's unique design protects the battery pack against harsh job site conditions by routing water away from the electronics and minimizing heat, which enhances both runtime and durability. The M18 battery can operate effectively even in extreme cold weather conditions, making it a reliable choice for outdoor and winter projects. Integrated with Milwaukee's Red Link intelligence, the battery offers overload protection to safeguard your tools during demanding tasks and discharge protection to prevent cell damage. With full system compatibility, this kit works seamlessly with over 60 M18 cordless solutions, making it a versatile addition to any tool collection.